Hi, my name is Ronsard Mbembo. I'm here to present my project, which is wireless gun sensor. This is the Bluetooth transmitter AHC06. This is my Arduino Nano. I use it as a microcontroller. This is the moisture sensor. This is, as you can see, is my humidity and temperature sensor DHT11. As you can see here, I've already connected all my components by using the switchboard. On my switchboard, I use the Arduino as a microcontroller and complete software that is used to upload my code on the Arduino switches. The Arduino is used to collect the data from all my sensors and convert it to ADC to the data reader. As you can see, I got different sensors on the switchboard. I'm going to talk about the first sensor that I got, which is DH11. Is the sensor that I used to check the range of the humidity and the temperature. And I got another sensor which is the soil moisture sensor. It used to control the condition of the surface and the soil, and also gives me any exchange of any energy as a water and heat. And I got the Bluetooth, which is the Bluetooth transmitter. We got his own name is HC06. It has a big job in my project to use it as a transmitter. It transmits all the data that I'm getting from all my sensor to any device as such tablet or and smartphone from the range of 5 meters. Now I'm going to show you guys how I connect all my components to the Arduino Nano. I use, as you can see, a switchboard to do all my connection. First step, as you can see, I use the DHT11, which has 3 pins on it. The negative pin is connected to the ground, to Arduino ground, and the single pin is connected to the digital pin of the Arduino, and the positive pin is connected to the voltage, which is the 5 voltage of the Arduino. The next connection is my soil moisture sensor. It has 4 pins on it. VCC of the soil moisture pin is connected to 5 volts of the Arduino, and the ground is connected to the ground, and the analog pin is connected to the Arduino analog pin 0. And then I have the Bluetooth. It has as well 4 pins on. I connect TX to RX, and the RX to the TX of Arduino Nano, and the ground to the ground, and the 5 voltage are connected to the 5 voltage pin of the Arduino. That's all the connection that I made. So now we are going to look at, we're going to the computer screen to look at the code and then upload the code to the Arduino, and from then it will start receiving the data from each of my sensors that it can be monitored in the series by using the USB cable. As you can see, before to start any connection, upload all your code to the Arduino microcontroller. You will need the USB cable and the PC computer to do all the uploading, all your code to the computer. As you can see, I got my Arduino Scratch, which is, it can be downloaded free online. and here are all my code of my sensors, and you plug the USB inside of your computer to the computer by setting it to the white. So you go to the tools, you connect the white Arduino. Well, now I'm using the Nano. Collect the Nano. If you're using Arduino Uno, you have to collect Arduino Uno, and you go to tools again, you select the white port, say port. I select my port, which is COM6. Click on that. As you can see, all my code of all my sensors, and in this case I use the Arduino Nano and to program my sensors, and this is called the sketches. After that, you press the compile button. As you can see, it's compiling the code. As you can see, it's done. Compile is done, and the next one you press upload button. As you can see, is updated, and I move to check all my data. And see it's flashing. This is my soil moisture sensor. I put it in the soil, and I'm getting all my data, as you can see, and the humidity it keep changing. This is the data reader for my computer. As you can see, all my data, the temperature, humidity, and for the soil moisture sensors. This is the outcome for my project. Thank you for watching.